Currently, a request has just been made to Parliament for the Committee Inquiry Mullet Bay to come and present to this Parliament what that committee has done until now. That request, a formal proposal, in accordance with our rules of order, at any time the Parliament can decide to ask an inquiry committee to present to Parliament. So my proposal to Parliament is to ask that. So if your response to my first request to let us then in this meeting debate the presentation by His Excellency the Governor can't happen because we would need ministers to come, then I ask, can I put that official proposal to have the Mullet Bay Inquiry Committee come to Parliament and tell Parliament what they have done in a committee that needed to work for 8 months, approximately 3 years, nearly 3 years later, what has been done and what has been spent. Then I ask that that proposal, which is registered at Parliament, that then be added to the agenda. Saying all of this to make the point, Madam Chair Lady, that if we are going to admit that at any time a member can ask to put an agenda point on an agenda of Parliament, we need no rules of order. Then why the request that you need so many days to request a meeting, 3 members got assigned it, etc. So the point that I'm making is that this proposal that you're going to be putting to a vote, Madam Chair Lady, we're doing it wrongly. We're doing it wrongly. And I would suggest to you, Madam Chair Lady, to get that straight before it's even put to a vote. Thank you, Madam Chair Lady.